Now this is the almost completion of my greenhouse. The reason I said almost because, well, on the outside it looks completed all around it. So you can see from the side view, I got the sunscreen drape so it won't get too much heat inside. So it goes all the way across here, all the way to this side. That's the other side of the drape going down. And above you can see the solar panels. There's 6 inside of here, which actually give light inside my greenhouse as I'm doing anything, any sort of work, maintenance, anything. Now going inside, it opens the inside rather than outside. I got my fan that actually take out the hot air, where just the hot, from the sun pushes it out for the outtake. So it's the inside of it. This is a solar panel light I told you earlier. We got one in each corner, and you have one on the side right here, and that one right here. I got 6. These vents, there's 4 vents that you saw from the outside. These are the ones from the inside, so it helps, not as much, but it's something. And this is all my 4 raised beds. One here, there, and there. At the moment I have my cucumber growing, and quite a few cucumbers growing here and there. One on the bottom there, you can see it. And this is swelling down. I had to lower it because it was getting too high. This right here was way up there, so I had to bring it down. This is my tomatoes, which is trying to get there. You can see them. And on the right side is the musclums, whatever. So yeah, this for my lettuce, there's nothing there. I gotta figure something out with that one. My black seeded Simpsons, my Anaheim chili peppers, and I'm about to put my sweet bell peppers here, which I have them right now in this bag, Ziploc. I'll take them out there, the seedlings. But yeah, this is what it is. Looks inside the structure, the inside of the roof. Here, I got the strings that holds them up when they get higher, so they won't be collapsing just like this. You can't even tell. Yeah, there it goes. I need this thermostat really well. I need this because it tells me, keeps tab on how hot it is. Lately it's been over 100, like right here, at least 108 or 106. With that fan helping it, it brings it down to at least 82 or so. So that helps a lot. It keeps the stress out of these plants and help them grow properly. And the floor, which is what I mentioned outside earlier, that it's kind of completed, but it's not fully, because I'm not finished with the flooring. I need this other section here and this whole section on the back. And right here, I'm supposed to build a shelf right here. Not too far out, but somewhat here, I guess, somewhere there. And on this side is where the grass exposed. It's supposed to be a table right here, a small table to do my stuff on top of here. Other than that, this is what I have so far. So I hope you guys like it, and if anything changes, anything new, I'll do another video in time. So I'll catch you guys later, and until next time.